Alright, good evening. Tonight we are testing about all of the features that I have made in the past 5 days. Let's get into it. And by features that I have made in the past 5 days, I mean all of the front-end features right here that are marked off, and they're very hard to read now. Uh, we're really just going to start with this by running Vitest and seeing what we are having issues on or missing. As usual, I aim for about like 85% coverage. Uh, but I'm not like too worried about it if it's not perfect. It's not like that big of a deal for me, you know. Uh, yeah. Okay. Issue with homepage. What is the issue? Oh, I have a query client there. Okay, that would make sense. That is a simple fix right off the bat. That is just, I know. Thank you. Um, yeah, this is just a simple fix they forgot to make, but that's okay. all we need to go, all we need to do is go to here and wrap this with a query client provider, and then put home page inside of that. And then we need to actually make a query client. So we need a query client and a new query. Oh, I forgot to spell this. I think it's this. I think it is. We'll see. Anyways, now we have our client. Let's just be, no, not query client provider. Query. Oh, UI select in there for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, show you that one. And that should work appropriately. Let's see. Okay, cool. I forgot that I added that in. And yeah, that's why we're doing our refactoring and stuff now. Because yeah, issues like that are to be expected. Okay, so now let's run everything again, and this time we will check coverage. I know we're missing quite a few things, but I'm not sure just how much we're missing. Decent bit. Okay. So our biggest issues are with this, and that's probably just because we're not testing admin dashboard at all. Um, that yeah, that would be my immediate assumption. Also, I just realized, are we not? Wait, no. I was gonna say, are we not allowing users that aren't an admin to get onto this page? But I realized that we're doing that in page.jsx, so it's fine. Okay, so just to start, let's go ahead and I guess actually, yeah, I guess we can just render everything. Of course we could go through and like test this at some point, but for now, all we need to be doing is, oh, geez, okay, sorry. All we need to be doing is just rendering it, and then we can go from there. So let's create a new file, admin dashboard.test.jsx, and let's go up to the top and let's import a bunch of things here. Do we need everything here? Absolutely not. Should we do? Oh, we'll just import it as we need it. We don't need this. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We just need to import admin dashboard. I don't know why I can't import it. Can I have that as a default export? Let me double check. Admin dashboard. No, I do. Um, hold on. I didn't save the file. Oof, eesh. Okay, there we go. I know you can't format that. You'll be fine. Import admin dashboard. There we go. Okay. And just to start, we'll describe it. Uh, this is the admin dashboard. And again, just to start and be basic about it, we'll say it renders correctly. Awesome. And then, okay, so to render this, we don't need to test or reroute to any other page yet. We just need to, let's see. Yeah, we just need to test it renders correctly. So I think, actually, we do need a query client provider. And before we do that, let's go ahead and add in a before each. And let's do render query client provider. Of course, we need a query client is equal to new query client. And then we set our client as query. Oh, geez. Okay, well, that also works. What did I do? We're fine. Ignore that. Let's just expect, actually, well, okay, first off, I am going to have a bunch of missing routes that I need to render, or not render, but fill with MSW. So once this actually renders, we can expect screen dot get by, actually, well, okay, firstly, we need to wait because this is going to be using asynchronous things. We need to wait for element to be removed. And if I am correct, I think we should be able to wait for the circular progress to be removed. So we should just wait for screen dot get by role progress bar. And then once it has actually loaded we should be able to grab everything by a section, I believe, or that's what I hope to do. Let me see. Hold on, because I think let's see. Let's see if I get anything with section. Oh, section role. Okay, let's see. Abstract role. The role must. Oh, jeez, the role must not be used. Okay. Well, that's awkward, isn't it? Um, Geez, I actually thought that I was doing something good with that, but I am not. Okay, in that case, we will not be using that. We will instead be using an unlinked list because that actually makes a lot more sense now that I think about it. Um, so UL, and then, and then UL, oh, and remove that one more, and then get all by role. List to have length 3. Okay. Um, let's test that. And actually, okay, before I take a look at that, I should make sure that this looks. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, no, it is fine. Okay, I should make sure that looks okay. All right. What's the issue? Able to find role progress bar. Okay, that would actually stem from the issue that I'm not actually rendering the admin dashboard yet. And that would also be why I'm not getting any issues with MSW. Yeah, that would definitely help if I actually rendered that. Okay. Now that we have these, I'm gonna slide this over to my second monitor. I'm gonna go over here. And I was gonna create these in setup.js, but I think I'm actually going to get into the habit of just creating them here. Just because, yeah, I think it's going to be better for the most part. So import server.use. Okay, so first we need HTTP. Actually, hold on. Let me structure this again. Because I think it is a list, but then I forget. Okay, no, it's... Okay, so it can be a single one, but let's see. I run over to setup.js. Yeah, okay, so it can either be an array or just a single one. So in this case, we're just going to use an array, I believe. HTTP dot get API blog post get flag post. And this should return HTTP response dot JSON Let me bring us back over. We should need to go here. We need to actually just copy the response. Oh, it would help if I yeah, give a response to actually render. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now we just copy this, copy message, and go into here and delete all this stuff. If somebody knows how I can copy messages without having to deal with that mess, that'd be great. And please do tell me. Okay. Anyways, so we have that, and what's the issue now? Hold on. Given I don't know why I just read the array. Doesn't actually that doesn't exactly make sense, but hold on. Okay, I think the issue is that just this isn't returning. So yeah, let's go ahead and uh, go and get that too. Let me hold on, I'm just curious now. Array.js. I don't know what I understand what this does for um objects, but not arrays. So yeah, I'm gonna take a peek at that real quick. Let me see. I'll need to text my dad back, sorry. Okay, now we're back. Yeah, let me see what is this doing when it spreads. So what's just the spread of numbers? So expands the array to its elements. Okay, that is weird, but I will roll with it and understand it later. Okay. Anyways, next thing is http.get API blog post / get flagged comments. This should return HTTP response.json, and then go into here and sorry, go back over here. I mean, go over here, go over to here, and go to here, and not that yet. We'll flag a user in just a second. Go to raw, copy a message, go back over here. This is so fun. I can tell you're enjoying this, even though you're not. No, I'm not actually talking to you. What am I missing? Oh, wait, am I missing a comma? No, I'm not missing a comma. I think I'm just formatting this incorrectly somehow. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I forgot about that. Oopsies. Anyways, now we need to do HTTP get API blog post get flagged users, and this should return HTTP response.json. And let's go back over here to my admin dashboard, but actually we need to go here and let's just flag our test user. Just so I can go back over here and actually, yeah, yoink this little guy. Go back over here and delete, and then save. Okay, so now that should render. If it doesn't, we'll troubleshoot the next issue with it. Okay, so it's still not rendering, which is odd, but okay, so let's start with admin dashboard.jsx. Okay, so flag queries.every. Okay, so here's the thing. This should go to here first, and then when all the promises fulfill, it should go to here. But it seems to be skipping all of that, so I feel like I've had this issue before and I've had to do something weird. Hold on. firstly, I just want to try and return like hello, just as a test. Let's see. If it does return hello, we'll know that it's just not getting any of those. Okay, yeah, so in that case, it's just not hitting um any yeah, so it's not marked as success for all of them, which is odd, but nevertheless. Let me see if I can start by console logging the output. Flagged queries at 0. Let's just try that and see if there's a global issue or it's an issue with a single one of them. Okay, that's weird. That shouldn't be. Oh, no, it should return. I should be printing data. I was gonna say, like, that's really weird, but it's because I'm not printing data. It still might not be nothing, or it will still be nothing, sorry. But we should be able to go down here and print the data somewhere, I believe. No, not. Well, it should just be. It just it should just turn to success at some point. Let's start with is error maybe. Uh, that is the next best bet. No, false. So is loading. Let's try that. See if there's anything fun. So it is loading. Um, does circular progress not count as a what as a whatchamacallit progress bar? I'm very sure that did, but it's circular progress MUI. But yeah, I don't know now. Let me look at source real quick and just see. Oh my gosh, where am I? Oh my gosh, there's so many different things. Um, let me see if I can just search for circular progress. Circular progress. Okay, that that was a lot. But okay, I think this is what I want. Um, yeah, let's see if we can find it. No, so yeah, see, there is a role, and the role is progress bar. So unless I am misspelling something, no. Okay, okay, so we know it's not an issue with the container itself. So it must be an issue with the testing. We don't know if it's an issue with MSW or if it's an issue with um oh, what's the other thing? Just with the testing suite itself. Oh, sorry to stretch. Okay, back to it. Yeah, because nothing is rendering right now. So let me go over to blog post.test. And just because this also uses queries, let's see if there's anything funky going on. But so far, no, not really. This all looks normal. And then we await to get removed. And that looks fine. It should be fine. But because the only difference here is that we're using a memory router to render this, but even then, I don't think that that should be an issue. So I guess I can try. It could potentially be an issue with user info, but I don't think it should just fail to render the, oh, good Lord. Uh, I don't think that it should just fail to render the entire thing. So yeah, that's why I'm a little bit weirded out because it shouldn't just completely fail. It should just continue on rendering. But yeah, let me go ahead and cross that off my list. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use a memory router real quick. Uh, just so I can be sure that it's not an issue with that. Again, I don't think it is. That'd be really weird, but um, it could be. So, why not try it? Uh, Not dashboard, dashboard. Okay, we go up here and then. Oh, did I delete that on accident? No, I didn't. Go over here and go up and paste this in. Oh, I'm not even doing the right thing here. Oops. Great. Rather. Um. Yeah, so I can delete this and then go back over here and re-import it. Um. And then render a router provider with a router of router. Let me change the default index to admin dashboard. Let's see if that helps at all. Again, I don't think it will, but worth a shot. No, it did not. Oh, I didn't actually include the loader to be completely fair. So let me just zoop this over here real quick. Uh, well, actually, hold on, no, there's no way that that can be an issue because um, admin dashboard doesn't even use get user info. Okay, so it's clearly not that. Um, yeah, I just that just occurred to me. I was like, oh, yeah, there's no way it's that. There are any there aren't any arguments that I have to pass to admin dashboard. So, oh, geez, I really don't know. Well, for the sake of the video, let me cut it here, but I'm gonna keep troubleshooting this and try and figure out what's going on. All right, see you later.